New Home Source Professional is your resource for locating brand new, pre-construction, or recently constructed properties and developments. Simply search by city and state or zip code and click on the search button to the right. Results will be sorted as individual homes or models, or next to the Homes tab, you have Communities, which will sort it by community. Once you have your results listed, you can actually save or email the listing to your client, and you can also print a report. When printing the report, you are selecting a property. You will be prompted to select the agent version or the client version. The agent version is convenient for you as the agent to see if there are any commission rates or to see what that development is offering real estate agents. The client version is for the consumer, and it will be branded with your information and your contact phone numbers so long as you've kept them up to date. Client reports will be branded with your information and your photo so long as you've kept your profile up to date. This is just some of what New Home Source Professional can do. For more information on New Home Source Professional, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for being a Miami member.